Okay, this video has been on my mind for quite some time now. This is my 2016 Lennox Merit Air Conditioner, right? It's a 3-ton, but my house is over 3,000 square feet. I think it's 3,100 something. 200, I don't remember. Now, you might be thinking, since there's so warm air coming out the top of the unit, right? And the line is cold and sweaty, that it's working fine. But this thing runs for multiple hours a day. And most of the time, our thermostat stays stuck at a certain temperature, whether that be 72, 73, maybe even 74. So, the coils are clean, but I don't think it's anything serious, but I do think that there is something wrong with it. Either it is undersized for my house, which I believe it is, or there's something wrong with it. Again, I don't think it's anything all that serious, but I do think there is something wrong with it. The techs did not install this the right way, and when my dad was mowing, he accidentally did a number on that and really bent it up, but I don't think that causes anything, because it's been doing this for, I want to say, a couple years now. Again, I don't think it's anything all that serious, but I do think that there is something minor wrong with it. Thankfully, it's not frozen. I was worried for a while this thing would freeze up, but no signs of that yet. It does need to be re-insulated over here, though. But another issue with my neighbor's 2003 American Standard Allegiance 11 is that I don't think it's running, but no, it's not running. Another worse issue is that it is choking in ivy. It does work. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but they really gotta do something with the ivy, because that's not normal. Maybe I'll get a video of it running tonight. As you can see, it's a 2003 4-ton. I don't think it's been running. No. So if that's a 4-ton and it doesn't run as much, I do believe my Lennox Merit is undersized and the Allegiance 11 is just the right size. But I don't know. It's more likely that the Lennox to my house is undersized. Yeah, it's still running. The kind of fan motor this has. I can't tell. This is more likely undersized than the Allegiance 11 is oversized. Because this thing runs definitely a lot more. And the inside of the house Well, the thermostat at least does not satisfy for multiple hours after turning this thing on, if even at all. So, I believe this is undersized. Again, this house is a little over 3,000 square feet. So I think this is undersized. Cold and sweaty. That's hot, but it's not burning hot. There's this one video I made that I still need to upload that when I touch that liquid line, that's the line right here, it literally burned my hand. Well, it burned my finger. It didn't burn my whole hand, but that burned me for sure. Fairly quiet though. I know the Allegiance 11 can be very noisy. I'm gonna go back inside now.